Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Govkart म्हणून गोयचो प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विस ॲप लॉन्च जाला.
Concept I conceptualized during the pandemic. We were looking into all these multinational companies who were making a big base in the local market and killing the local vendors. The local vendors market was slowly reducing. So I thought of tying up the local vendors along to the getting a bridge, making a bridge between the local vendor and the normal public of Goa.
So basically, a shop from South Goa can sell his products even in North Goa just online. Because this is a truly innovative idea, and I'm sure our Honorable Chief Minister would definitely be proud of such a great venture and would encourage this type of ventures, which would not only lift the Goan economy, but also give local produce far greater platform.
ताज्या पासून आमी सावध रावपाक जाय. जेन्ना आमचो स्वताचो मनीस जेन्ना गोंयान अशा पद्दतीचो ई-कॉमर्स बिझनेस करता, म्हाका दिसता ताका प्रमोट करप हें आमचें सगळ्यांचें काम आसा. बरी सुरवात ताणें आत्मनिर्भर भारत आनी वोकल फॉर लोकल ह्या कन्सेप्टाच्या सकयल केल्या, आनी नक्कीच गोंयकार तांकां बरो प्रतिसाद दितलो.